Let's jump right in and decode the high-stakes, super complex world of Idaho commercial truck crashes. Now, standard car crashes, totally different beast. Truck crashes involve massive corporate entities and complex federal laws. The stakes are huge. Trucking companies hold massive policies and literally deploy defense lawyers within hours. So what's actually causing these devastating pileups on Idaho roads? Let's look at the hard data. The biggest culprits? Exhausted drivers on long hauls, distraction, poor maintenance, and shifting cargo in steep mountains. Throw in treacherous local weather like Namba black ice or Snake River dust storms, and risks absolutely skyrocket. Crucially, Idaho law demands reasonable speeds for those harsh conditions, completely regardless of impossible company delivery schedules. But to really pin down fault, we've got to look at the strict federal rulebook from the FMCSA. The biggest safeguard is the drive time limit. Truckers can only drive for 11 hours, period. Plus, all of that driving has to happen within a super strict 14-hour on-duty window. To fight off dangerous fatigue, federal law straight up mandates 10 consecutive hours completely off the road. And ELD tracks this digitally. It's basically a black box of evidence if those limits are broken. Also, a positive post-crash drug or alcohol test, that isn't just bad, it's automatic proof of negligence. So when the dust settles and rules are broken, a massive question pops up. Who's really at fault? The liability web is wild. It traps the driver, the trucking company, cargo loaders, even parts manufacturers. Companies face huge liability if they negligently hire folks or push drivers to meet impossible delivery schedules. Because of the sheer physical force involved, victims often suffer catastrophic injuries and face massive medical bills. To cover this, commercial policies are massive, usually ranging from $750,000 up to $5 million. If a company deliberately fakes logbooks, Idaho law actually allows for extra, punishing damages to hit them hard. Facing a well-funded corporate defense team, what immediate steps do you actually need to take post-crash? You gotta follow this precise 5-step plan to protect your health and lock down your legal rights. A lawyer will instantly fire off letters to save that vital engine computer data in the digital logbooks. Knowing the stakes, will you really let a rapid response corporate defense team dictate your recovery?